You're fast asleep, the world is quiet, and suddenly you start a full-blown debate about grocery lists or reveal a secret that makes no sense. If you've ever been told you talk in your sleep, you know the shame. You feel like a glitching computer, or worse, someone who can't be trusted with their own subconscious. But stay with me. Because being a sleep talker, or what scientists call a somniloquist, isn't a sign that you're losing your mind. It's actually a sign that your brain's gatekeeper is playing a much more complex game than everyone else's. First, let's kill the truth serum myth. People think sleep talking is a window into your deepest, dark secrets. It's not. A 2017 study found that the most common word spoken in sleep is actually the word no. Sleep talking isn't a confession, it's a rehearsal. Here is what is actually happening in your head. When you sleep, your brain is supposed to engage a safety switch called muscle atonia. This paralyzes your muscles so you don't act out your dreams. In most people, the switch is flipped all the way. But in sleep talkers, the switch is leaky. Your motor neurons, the ones responsible for speech, are refusing to shut down. While the rest of the world is in total lockdown, your linguistic center is still pulling overtime. You aren't glitching, you're just chemically incapable of silencing your inner narrator. But here is where it gets fascinating. Why do we talk at all? Neuroscience suggests that sleep talking is a side effect of overnight emotional editing. During REM sleep, your brain is busy sorting through the day's conflicts, filing memories, and deleting unnecessary stress. Most people do this in silence. But for you, the processing is so intense that it spills over into your vocal cords. Researchers have found that sleep talking often involves complex grammar and even polite conversational pauses. Your brain is literally practicing how to navigate the world while you're unconscious. It's a sign of a highly linguistic brain, one that prioritizes communication so much that it doesn't even stop for a nap. And there's a biological superpower here. Studies show that people who talk in their sleep often have a faster memory consolidation process. You are literally talking your way through your problems, resolving social tensions and logic puzzles in your sleep so that when you wake up, your brain is cleaner than a non-talker's. Now, we have to look at the stress trigger. Sleep talking often spikes when you're under pressure. Your brain sees a high-stakes problem and decides it needs a night shift to solve it. If you're talking more lately, it's not because you're crazy, it's because your brain is a problem-solving machine that refuses to leave a task unfinished. Society calls it a sleep disorder, but neuroscience suggests it's actually a form of high bitrate processing. You are a nighttime narrator. You are the only person in the room who's working even when you're resting. So the next time someone laughs at what you said at 3 a.m., just smile. You know that while their brain is in sleep mode, yours is busy composing the next chapter of your life. You're not broken, you're just the only one who doesn't waste a single second of the day. If this resonated with you, hit subscribe.